Hey, I'm Chris Jude, the Glamping Guy. I'm just here taking a walk this evening to see the work that's being done on my septic tank. For the most part, I just wanted to walk through with the camera to kind of show the elements of the septic tank and what's actually being put into place as the days go by. So let's do that. So this is the bathhouse. It's actually going to serve two tents. The one tent is right here and the other tent is down the hill a little bit, and they will be serving right here with a shower, toilet, and sink coming out of here, as well as hot water coming out of here to fill our hot tubs and all that. Now this is the first drain that comes out and will come down through to here where it will join to other drains. I'm going to explain them in a little bit. Let me just walk down the way here. And one of the drains comes from up the hill, and that is for the tiny home that we have up here. So that drain is coming down the steepest decline. From there is where you can see where the hitch is on the front of the tiny home, and it comes down here into the drain here and comes into connection with the drain I just showed you, as well as to the second bathhouse that will go up there. You can see the ventilation pipes coming out of the ground there. That's where the second bathhouse is going to be built. And then this all comes to this connecting point and will come down the hill. You can see there's a decline there, and it comes down through the ditch and into the actual tanks. Now these tanks, there's two tanks. This is a commercial size. It did not matter at all to the health department whether the tanks, how much use it was going to be. They count the number of rooms, and I have 8 rooms, so this one is equivalent to having an 8-room house. So there is a 1,500 gallon tank and a 1,000 gallon tank. The first one is the big one, and then the little one for the second one, and that is where all the poop and pee and the whatever else goes down the toilet is going to go into. Now that goes down this route, and that's what the people are building right now. And let me just look at, there's a lot of dirt. Look at all this dirt. So now I'm walking across the big dirt trying to carry a camera, and but this will be all underground. These tanks you won't even be seeing them. They'll just have lids that go up to the surface, but that's it. Now this is what's called a leach field. So the sewage, once it's settled and the hard matter breaks down quite a bit, it comes out here. Now these will be, you can see the pipes coming out here. They will go into a field this way, and the field, you can see, I want to get down there some more. Let me jump down here real quick. You can see the field, the Bobcat has been dragging this field out, really digging into now this will all be underground also, except there will be pipes that will seep into the hill here. And then that's where all of the water, this is actually environmentally preferable compared to incineration toilets or throwing poop away or outhouses. The health departments actually like the idea of all of the waste going back into the water system. I know that sounds gross, but if you actually study it, it's not that gross. The water that goes back into creeks and streams and underground rivers, once it goes through the water treatment of a proper water treatment, it's all good. And the water actually returns to this space. It's better water than irrigation water that evaporates and goes to other states. So the people who understand water laws and septics and things like that kind of get it. Suburbanites who just can't get their minds around poop going into the ground, they don't get it, but that's the way the world turns. So that's my septic system so far, and we hope to be done next week. I hope that helps you in your glamping journey. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them below. I love answering questions from people who like my videos. Take care.